Alright, what's up guys? I'm starting the Taiwan vlog right here. Currently I'm outside the MRT station that I just got out of. Well, I got out over there, but yeah, I'm a little bit lost right now. Well, not super lost because I'm going to a bus station to get my first meal. I'm checking the hotel for another like 7 hours, so I need to explore the city. But the city is like way different than like LA where I'm from. Like it's like way different. Like it's like a different world. There's like a bunch of taxis and mopeds, but it's still like it's still like a metropolis, and it's still like a beautiful city. So it's like crazy different. And even like on the train ride from the airport to here is really cool. But yeah, even look like where I am right now. I know there's nobody around where I am, but like it's still amazing. Look at this. This site, city. It's like I'm in a different world. Alright, what's up guys? I'm here at the National Taiwan University farm. It's actually super nice here. Like, this is just part of the farm. There's that. There's just... I'm still just wandering around right now because this is like right near where the other place was. But this is so nice. I'm surprised that like this is a farm. The campus does like... Alright guys, it's currently day 2 in Taipei. I didn't do much on day 1 because I had to pack and like my hotel when I got here was really late. I didn't check in until 3 and I was really tired. So and then I was also jet lagged, so I didn't do much on the first day, and I was carrying around luggage like all day, and I was walking around all day. I didn't go to the night market, which I was trying to do, but today I'm gonna be out literally all day, so I'm definitely gonna make up for the lack of activity yesterday. But right now, I'm going to give you guys a little room tour and show you guys the little crib I'm staying at. It's a nice hotel actually. It's a pretty small room, but I got a pretty good price for this hotel, and it's actually really, really nice for the price. So, as you can see, this is the bed that I'm laying in. We got the lamp over here, we got another lamp, we got a bunch of lamps. It even has a little teapot and a TV. Pretty nice. We got like this nice little mirror, and then a door that connects to the room if I want to connect to the room. Another mirror, and then here's where the real magic happens. It's the bathroom. So we got a mirror. What's up, guys? Some really nice granite on the floor. Those are my shoes, and this is the bathtub. It's just a little room tour. Yeah, this room doesn't have a microwave, but I do have a little fridge that we fill up with goodies from all the magnificent convenience stores here in Taipei. So that's just the room tour. I'm about to go to I'm about to go get breakfast, and then we're gonna have a nice day today. Alright guys, so that's the train stop to get out to Taipei, to get the train station out to Taipei 101, and literally, I didn't know, like Din Tai Fung is right here, and the whole building is up there. Like, it's literally right underneath it. Oh my god. It's insane. Actually huge. Like, it's like it touches the sky, especially from down here. Oh my god, like I'm actually in awe right now. Like, it's like it goes on forever above me. I haven't been to Din Tai Fung yet here, but I'm definitely gonna go to this one. I don't know if I'm gonna go to this one or the one in Xinyi. I don't even know if it's open right now because it's still like Lunar New Year here technically. But it's insane. There's actually the hawker stall that got a Michelin star in Singapore. They have a location here in Taipei 101. I might eat there today. We'll see. But there's even like a Starbucks Reserve here, so it's really nice. This place, they have there's a mall in here too. I really like it here so far. Alright guys, so I decided to eat it, and I got the soy sauce chicken with the roast pork, got the egg, and then it has soup and the vegetables. And I got my lychee oolong tea from the convenience store. So it should be good. Let me try this. Alright, I'm gonna go have the famous soy sauce chicken first. Okay. That was good. Very good. Let me try this pork now. It's like, I don't know if it's not necessarily like 1 Michelin star quality, which I wasn't really expecting because this isn't the original location, but very good. Oh, I think the roast pork's even better. Actually, I like the roast pork better. Okay. This meal set was $2.50, which is like $7.80. Like that's a little bit less than $8. So I think it was worth it, but it's really good. All right, I'm gonna go eat the rest of this. There's a pig right there. There's lanterns going off. Oh my god. Actually, it's not a pig. It's an elephant. All these people walking around. Alright guys, I'm finally having it. The main reason I'm coming to Taiwan, Chin Sui Tang. This is the original boba right here. I didn't eat at the restaurant, I just got it to go, which was right below Saint Laurent, which is kind of cool. I'm eating it like right in the mall. I probably will eat at the restaurant for this trip, but for now I'm just gonna have the boba. Yesterday I had a boba from like a Taiwanese chain called 5-0. It's not in the States. That was good, but this one should be better because that one was $2 equivalent US, and this one was like a little bit more than $5, and that was on sale. It's usually like $6, and that's a lot here because the average boba here is like less than $2. So it should be good. All right, let's try this out. All right, my first taste. I'm expecting a lot. It's like a really rich black tea. It's like a lot different than any other boba I've ever had. I have to say, it kind of is worth the hype. I mean, I kind of expected a little bit more, but it kind of is worth the hype. I really do like it. I'm seeing more, drinking more, I like it. Alright guys, I went to the Yat Sen Memorial Hall. I didn't even know that they had this here, but there's like a water show or something that goes off every like
the pearls are actually small.
Minutes or something. I was like sitting right in the front, and then all of a sudden this just went off. And you can see the Memorial Hall in the background. They even had music at the beginning, but like it didn't have it until there was no music until the water started going. See the Taiwan flag. You can even see Taipei 101 still here. Now, I don't know too much about this Memorial Hall. I probably should have like researched it more, but it looks really nice, and it's almost like, kind of looks like an Imperial Palace. It has that Imperial Palace vibe. Oh, see now the water just stopped. Oh, we get a little bit more actually. Alright, we're still at the Doctors Memorial Hall. There's this beautiful bridge. Apparently it's being kept by Lions International. If you don't know what Lions International, they're kind of like Kiwanis, like it's like a volunteer organization. So apparently this is being kept up by a volunteer organization, which is very impressive. You can still see Taipei 101. It's very beautiful. This place is very Fei Shan Piaoliang, which means very beautiful in Chinese. So well, specifically Mandarin. So yeah, this place is amazing, dude. Like, can't believe how much there was just to do. Even inside of the Memorial Hall, there was a bunch of art. I'm just amazed. It's like I'm walking into ancient China when I'm here. Alright guys, I'm at the first temple of the trip. It's so nice. This is actually like one of the nicest temples I've ever seen. Like, just look at that. It's almost like Christmas lights, but all the time. It's actually amazing how beautiful this is. Alright, we're gonna go inside, but I need to be quiet. I don't want to disturb. Whatever, Confucianism, is that the religion? I wish I knew more about this religion, so like it'd be like more impactful to me, or more about like what these temples actually mean or what gods they're praying to. Like there's a big frog right here. That's really cool. It's almost like I'm in like a video game or like in an anime right now. It's really cool, but just don't exactly know everything that's happening. It's amazing though. Alright, what's up guys? I'm currently heading to the second temple of the day. And then after that, I think we're going to go to Raohe Night Market, try the famous pepper buns. Who knows what else we're going to try. And then after that, I think it's going to be the end of the day. Well, we're getting close to temple because look guys, there's like animals right here. Oh. There's like decorative animals. And, oh wait, oh no wait, it's up there. Ah, so cute. So cute. And then look, bunch of displays. Oh my god, this is amazing. Oh, there's a dragon next to a statue, like a peak bird. It's so bright, my camera's even having a hard time adjusting. And then look, the temple is right behind. This really does feel like a video game, dude. Whoa. What is that? Oh my god. The temple. There's even a bell right there. Dude, this place is surreal, dude. Like, it's amazing, dude. Like, even the plants are great. I mean, it's really like walking into a movie, like one of those ancient movies where you see the castle. This is like a castle, dude. Guys, I think I made it. I made it to the night market. It looks like a nice temple too. Everything's a nice temple here. Oh wait, no. That is a temple and the night market's right there. Raohe. This is my first night market food, the famous black pepper bun. Oh my gosh, and there's some food wars. So excited. 55 each one. I think I'm only gonna get one right now. I'm still not that hungry, but I don't know. I kind of want to get two. Let's see. Alright guys, I bought 2 pork buns. I'm gonna try it for the first time. It's gonna be legendary. 10 out of 10, we'll come again. Alright, currently walking back to my hotel. It's almost 11 here in Taipei. So tired. I've been literally walking. I woke up at like 5. I've been out since like 9. I literally walked like, I've only taken the train twice today. So I've walked like literally all day. But you know what? It was a great day. I did a lot. I ate a lot. I had a good time.